Hey, it's Winston here, and today I'm super excited because we'll be taking a look at the ASRock Z390 Taichi. Now for a short message. This video is made possible thanks to ASRock, makers of mainstream and enthusiast motherboards. Get yours now via the affiliated links in the description down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for your attention and enjoy the video. Yes, the ASRock Z390 Taichi motherboard utilizes the latest Intel Z390 chipset, suitable for all of the 9th generation Intel processors, the Coffee Lake S. It's also compatible with the older 8th generation processors, the normal Coffee Lake. This motherboard is absolutely packed with some great features, including triple Ultra M.2 connectors for your SSDs, full coverage M.2 heatsink, you get one of them, Intel AC Wi-Fi, dual gigabit Intel LAN, PCIe steel slots for your graphics card, you get 3 of them, Purity Sound 4, USB 3.1 Gen 2, both the A-type and the C-type, and of course the ASRock Super Alloy as well as the Polychrome RGB. So it'll be interesting to see how this motherboard will perform against the Z370 as well as other Intel-based motherboards out there on the market. I'm not expecting huge performance gains over the Z370. I think they're about the same. In fact, some people out there are calling it a rebrand of the Z370. What I'm really interested in is how well will my 8700K, the 8th generation Coffee Lake processors, work with this motherboard. Let's find out. But before then, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you later. Okay, so we have 2 antennae. So these are for your AC Wi-Fi. There's 2 of them there. There's 1, 2, 3, 3 of the M.2 screws for your SSDs right here. You also have the I/O shield for your backplate now. I/O. Nice ASRock postcard. Software setup guide. There's also the driver's disc. The ASRock Taichi manual. There we have 2 sets of the SATA cables. 2 sets is 2 in each, is 4 SATA cables right here. And this, I believe, it's the yes, it's the bridge, the SLI bridge, 2-way. It comes with the motherboard. This is for your NVIDIA graphics card, GeForce graphics card. Right. And let's have a look at the board itself. The Z390 chipset, so it's suitable for the Coffee Lake S, both the 8th generation and the 9th generation processors from Intel. There's your DIMM slots, so there's a DDR4 DIMM slots. There's 4 of them there. Supports DDR4 memory. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, yes, 3 of the M.2 connectors right here for your SSDs. Then it's your nice I/O shield right here. Okay. And then over here we have 3 PCIe steel slots. These are for your graphics card. And then over this side we have yes, 8 SATA ports right here. So at the bottom here we have a diagnostic LED. There's also lots of headers for your fans, for your RGB, USB and things like that. Let's have a look at the I/O. We have 2 antennae connectors right here for your AC Wi-Fi. There's your PS2 mouse connector and keyboard. USBs there right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 USB 3.0s. There's your display port as well as HDMI. And then you have 2 dual gigabit LAN. We have a nice heatsink here, right there. Nice cone-toed heatsink with a heat pipe. Yeah, it's a very nice motherboard. It has a nice Taichi theme to it, which is very distinguishable. And okay, let's mount this onto our test rig and see how it performs when we put the 8700K Coffee Lake processors in there. See you in a bit. Now you've seen the unboxing, let's do a quick test build. We'll be using the ASRock Z390 Taichi motherboard right here, and we're going to be mounting this onto the test bench here. For RAM, we've got the Corsair Vengeance, the DDR4 3000 RGB, and there's 2 sticks of 8 gigs, so we'll be using that. For processor, we don't have the 9th generation processor for Intel at the time of testing. So instead we'll be using the 8th generation, the Coffee Lake, the Core i7 8700K. We'll be mounting that onto the motherboard. And then to cool it off, we have the massive Noctua D15 cooler we've used in the past. And for power supply, we've got the Cooler Master 750 watt PSU, as well as the Crucial SSDs as well. So let's begin the build. What makes the ASRock Z390 Taichi extremely attractive to both enthusiasts and gamers alike is that it comes absolutely packed with some great features. These include 3 PCIe steel slots, USB 3.1 Gen 2, 3 M.2 connectors, Purity Sound 4, dual AC Wi-Fi, ASRock Super Alloy, and much more. I also especially like the distinctive Taichi design. At the time of testing, we were only able to use the Intel 8th generation Coffee Lake processor, the 8700K. Yet still, the ASRock Z390 Taichi motherboard produced some very good results with a PC Mark score of 7438. Scores for both 3D Mark Time Spy and Firestrike were also very good, although they were very similar to the results of its predecessor, the Z370. When it comes to overclocking, both the Z370 and the Z390 are excellent overclockers. I was able to overclock our 8700K to a whopping 5 GHz with only a few simple BIOS tweaks. But be warned, to achieve this, you definitely need a good CPU cooler. Overall, the ASRock Z390 Taichi is a great motherboard that deservedly wins our Editor's Choice Award. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a like and click on the subscribe for more. Don't forget you can actually purchase all the items via the links in the description. Until our next video, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.